We've all heard the endearing bedtime phrase, sleep tight, don't let the bedbugs bite. Unfortunately, bedbugs aren't just the stuff of nursery rhymes. They're real, they're sneaky, and they're lurking where you least expect them. In this video, we'll explore the three fundamental aspects of managing bedbugs: identification, treatment, and prevention. Identifying bedbugs. Bedbugs are blood-sucking insects that are a source of dread for anyone who's had the misfortune of crossing paths with them. They are small, reddish-brown in color, with a flat, oval-shaped body. They typically measure about 4 to 5 millimeters in length, making them roughly the size of an apple seed. Bedbugs do not have wings, which sets them apart from many other insects. The bedbug life cycle includes three main phases: eggs, nymphs, and adults. The life of a bedbug begins when a female lays tiny translucent eggs. Once the eggs hatch, they give rise to nymphs. Nymphs resemble adults in many ways, but they are smaller and lighter in color. As they grow, nymphs undergo several molts, shedding their exoskeletons to accommodate their increasing size. After several molts, nymphs reach the adult stage and they become capable of reproducing. In ideal conditions, bedbugs can live for approximately 6 to 12 months. Interestingly, they are able to survive without feeding for several months, making them incredibly resilient. Bedbugs are nocturnal creatures, and they have a unique skill set for feasting on human blood. Using their specialized anatomy, they pierce the skin and silently extract their host's blood while they are sleeping. This process is often painless due to an anesthetic they inject into the skin, which numbs the area. Bedbugs are drawn to the carbon dioxide emitted when humans breathe, and they possess sensors that are particularly attuned to detecting elevated carbon dioxide levels in the air. They are also drawn to body heat, and they can sense the warmth radiating from a sleeping person. Once they locate a suitable host, bedbugs use their heat sensors to find the best place to bite. They often prefer to feed in uncovered areas where blood vessels are closer to the skin surface, including the arms, legs, hands, and neck. A bedbug's feeding can take just 3 to 10 minutes, during which it can consume several times its body weight in blood. During a severe infestation, a person might get bitten up to 500 times in a single night. Bedbugs have a knack for being elusive, and they tend to seek refuge in cracks, crevices, and seams of various items, such as mattresses, box springs, bed frames, headboards, couches, upholstered furniture, baseboards, electrical outlets, picture frames, and even luggage or clothing. In essence, anywhere close to their host's sleeping area is fair game for a hiding spot. Identifying a bedbug infestation involves recognizing common signs they leave behind. Bedbug bites are a telltale sign, often appearing as itchy, red welts on your skin, usually in a linear or clustered pattern. You might also notice bloodstains on your sheets or pajamas as a result of their feeding. Additionally, bedbugs excrete small black or brown fecal matter that looks like tiny dots, often found on your bedding or near their hiding spots. Another indicator is the discarded exoskeletons they molt as they grow, which can be discovered in their hiding places. Treating bedbugs. Once you've confirmed a bedbug infestation, it's time to take action. Fortunately, there are several do-it-yourself methods that can help you effectively eradicate these unwanted guests. First, consider laundering and heat treating any infested clothing and bedding. Use high temperatures to wash and dry these items, as bedbugs are highly sensitive to heat, and this can help eliminate them. To ensure their complete elimination, sustained temperatures of 122 degrees Fahrenheit or 50 degrees Celsius are recommended, as this range effectively kills both bedbugs and their eggs. Another useful DIY technique is isolating infested items. Use bedbug-proof covers on your mattress and box spring, and encase any infested furniture to trap the bedbugs inside, preventing them from feeding on you and ultimately starving them. Steam cleaning and vacuuming are also effective methods. You can also use diatomaceous earth, a natural, non-toxic powder, to create barriers around hiding spots. This substance dehydrates and kills bedbugs upon contact. The use of over-the-counter chemicals is also an option, but this may provide mixed results, as bedbugs have developed resistance to many common chemicals and pesticides. If an infestation is severe or persists despite your best DIY efforts, it's highly recommended to seek professional extermination services. Although a nuisance, bedbugs are not known to transmit or carry diseases in the same way that some other pests, like mosquitoes or ticks, do. However, their bites can lead to various health issues and discomfort. The primary concern with bedbug bites is their potential to cause skin reactions, such as itching, redness, and swelling. Some people may also experience an allergic reaction, which can result in more severe skin reactions. While bedbugs themselves are not disease vectors, the mental and emotional stress caused by infestations can lead to anxiety, insomnia, and other psychological issues. Preventing bedbug infestations. Dealing with a bedbug infestation can be a challenging process, but the ultimate goal is not only to eradicate the current infestation, but also to prevent future reinfestations. There are several ongoing prevention strategies that can help you maintain a bedbug-free environment. First and foremost, vigilance is key. Continue to inspect your living spaces regularly, especially in and around the areas where bedbugs like to hide. Stay attentive to early warning signs, such as bites, bloodstains, or fecal matter. The earlier you catch an infestation, the easier it is to manage. In addition to vigilance, it's essential to maintain the preventative measures we discussed earlier. These practices create an environment that is less hospitable for bedbugs. Be cautious when bringing secondhand furniture or used items into your home, as they can be potential sources of infestation. Finally, it's crucial to underscore the significance of staying alert, especially when you're traveling. Bedbugs can hitchhike in luggage, clothing, or even on your person. Always inspect your hotel room for signs of bedbugs, avoid placing luggage on the bed or floor, and upon returning home, unpack and wash your travel clothing and vacuum your luggage to ensure you're not bringing any unwanted souvenirs home from your journey. If you liked this video, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. See you in the next video.